Hello student, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Very good. Now student, today we are going to study what trigonometry and some part of trigonometry we have studied already in first video. Now today we will learn some different concept of trigonometry. Now student, this is what trigonometry. Tri means what? Three, gono means side. Metry means measurement. Means measurement of three sides of a triangle is called trigonometry. Measurement of three sides of a triangle is called trigonometry. Clear? Now, student, complementary angles. What student? Complementary angles. Complementary, supplementary you know very well. Complementary means what? 90 degree. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. Clear? So we are going to talk about complementary angles. Now complementary angles, student, sine 90 minus theta. What student? Sine 90 minus theta. You will write cos theta. Clear? Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is what student? Sin theta. Clear? In sine, complementary of sine will be cos. Complementary of cos will be sine. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is what student? Tan theta. Means complementary of tan will be cot and complementary of cot will be tan. Similarly, sec 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is what student? Sec theta. Means complementary of sec theta is what? Cosec theta, and complementary of cosec is what? Sec theta. Clear student? And then we know some trigonometric identities. So last year you have learned one trigonometric identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is what trigonometric identity is. Okay student? So trigonometric identities. You have learned what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You may write student sine square theta is equal to 1. Transfer this to right hand side. So plus cos square theta becomes minus cos square theta. Clear? Means sine square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, you may find the value of what student? Cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1. Transfer sine to the right hand side. You will get what? Minus sine square theta. So this is the first identities you have studied in class 9. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now another trigonometric identity is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, student will write sec square theta is equal to 1. Transfer these to right hand side. You will get plus tan square theta. So sec square theta is equal to what student? 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now you will find what student? Therefore, tan square theta. Student, to find tan square theta, you have to transfer this to right hand side and 1 to the left hand side. Clear? So if you want to find tan square theta, transfer this to right hand side and 1 to left hand side. So what you will get? Sec square theta. Transfer 1 to left hand side. This becomes minus 1. Means you will transfer 1 to left hand side. So this plus 1 becomes minus 1. And this minus tan square theta to right hand side. So that becomes plus tan square theta. Means you will get tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Clear? Now student, one more trigonometric identities is there, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and this is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So similarly you can find cosec square theta. So cosec square theta is equal to what, student? 1. Transfer this to right hand side. So this will be plus cot square theta. Clear? What is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. And if I will ask what is the value of cot square theta? So similarly we will transfer this to right hand side. So this becomes plus, and 1 to left hand side. Then you will get what? Cosec square theta minus 1. What you will get, student? Cosec square theta minus 1. So this is what? Trigonometric identities. So we are having 3 trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Clear? Now student, remember one more thing. Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. And cot theta can be written as opposite of this, that is what? Cos theta upon sin theta. Clear? So this is again very important. You have to use somewhere. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, student? Now the remaining part of this lesson we will study in next video. So thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.